back at the BARENA job. They're putting the fascia and gutters on today. So this is one way of putting the fascia brackets on. It just gets bent 90 degrees and attached to the side. I've already got all the roof battens on, which are a 44mm top hat. So this is all set out, ready to go. And this is how they do the valleys, just with the ceiling battens in there to create the valley. That's a little bit lower, and they put the tray inside that and fix it on top of the roof battens there. You can see all the strap bracing. It's already in place. This is quite an interesting roof line. It's got lots of hips and valleys and gable ends. And they put the fascia in there, and then they take that off once it's in place, all the plastic. So it's got like a plastic coating on there. You can see they've got the decking down now, or most of it. So there's two different ways of doing this. You can either have a 50mm step down from the deck area into the living area, but what often works a lot better is having it all in plane, so there's no step between it. Obviously there's a little gap there in between for waterproofing. This is beautiful Merbau decking, or Aquila.